from an angry crowd creates total disruption right in police station parking lot.
Listen,
step over here. I'll listen
let me tell you about these people.
Separate for a second.
Y'all came in with
To a woman thinks the police are trying to kidnap her.
You know. Like it's only gonna hurt. Sit down.
You know who was right.
Turn around for me. You're under arrest for driving under the influence of...
These are the times when good cops humiliate Karens who think police are their employees. Officers from the precinct noticed a group of people fighting in the parking lot on August 31st, 2021.
Hold on, my car right now. No.
Back over here. Come on here. Step back over here.
Don't take me round her. No. Hey, don't let me go.
Over there.
This is my daughter.
Step over here.
Listen.
Step over here. Step over here.
Listen.
Step over here. I'll
Let
listen
me
in a
tell you
minute.
about these people.
Separate for a second.
Y'all came in with
chill,
very
chill.
disrespectful.
Stay with them.
We came here for help.
We came here to park here.
My kids.
Both of you came together?
Came together.
After arriving at the scene, the officers proceeded to arrest those who were fighting there.
I'm good. Don't tell me. Hey, man.
Put her in the car. You don't listen, put her in the car.
Man, leave me alone.
I'm calling for y'all.
Man. Bro. Man, let me go. Hey, man.
Keep her away from me.
Watch your hands. Watch your hands.
What's
Let me go. Come on, man. Y'all
Handcuffs.
doing too much.
Handcuffs.
Hey, man, get my...
Handcuffs.
Hey, man, get the off me.
No, ma'am. You're under arrest.
Under arrest for what?
Disorderly conduct. I know, it is funny, isn't
Can
it?
I get up, please?
Sure. Roll over on your side. Stand up on your leg. On your feet.
Get up. Boom. Watch your face.
I swear to God, it's up in this. I swear to God. Don't let me touch you. I swear to God, man. Hey, bro. Hey. Alright, okay, I ain't finna run on nothing. Can you let me go?
No, ma'am. Have you seen the car? I don't know.
The officers at the scene began to split up to gather information from the witnesses.
He followed all the way from the movie to here.
All the way from the south side.
Stevenson.
They were on 38. They follow us all
He
the
in
way
my
to the
bumping
south
y'all.
side.
And she got a couple of
Stand by with the phone in my
I got video.
Yeah, I was the whole time in the car. My kids and stuff were there. And what she did was follow us. I told my wife take it over to the first precinct she could. She told somebody out the window, just hold tight. I got the license plate, everything. Y'all can shoot that shit up. She tried to follow us, and that's what the boys appeared like that.
Oh, yeah, she hit the bumper when we stopped at the
Other
stop
cars
sign.
with
I
the
didn't get
fellas
that
in
on
it. She
video.
called somebody and said
After she
they gonna shoot up or something.
would you bump somebody's car
She
with
was
your car
following
to
us
the
all the way,
word?
I guess, for the people to come back, for trouble. This lady over here was,
Immigration. So what is all this about?
all this about us looking at her car. Us looking at her car. We went out the car, nothing looking at the car. We just drove through. Like, what do that say?
Y'all saw the writing.
Correct. And she went off from there, calling people on the phone. That's how all these people appeared to the crime scene. And the lady just jumped out the car and just tried to come strike us. I mean, when she pulled up in the road. Yeah, the only reason I told her to keep going and didn't react to it is because my 6-month and my 4-year-old in the car. That's the only reason. Y'all probably would have had me in handcuffs today, man.
She's saying anything
She was just cussing in front of kids, telling me they're going to shoot the shit up.
A while later, one of the officers came out and reported what he had gathered.
All about her car, it's the way it's painted,
Why is she angry with him?
because they came in and she felt like disrespecting her car, making fun of it. To her, it's a shrine to her daughter who was killed. To them, they thought it was somebody vandalized your car. And so she got upset. However, they thought they were doing a car, and then I think she claimed she offered, hey, you want to take a picture? She says it's on Instagram. I guess it's, like I said, a shrine for her daughter, which she may know, and the people close to her may know. People in general wouldn't probably know that just looking at it. So somehow she got upset, offended by them thinking her car was vandalized. I guess the daughter said, you want to take a picture, probably in a smart ass way, and then they just started getting words from there. They claim that she was following them all the way from the movie theater. She claims she was being followed, but started following them on Jefferson Street to come to the precinct.
Why does she follow them to the precinct?
They have, I didn't watch how much video of her behind them.
We can definitely find out from the cameras who followed who in the parking lot.
Well, I mean, which at that point, or they can both claim one already come to the precinct, but.
Well, she admitted she followed them to the precinct for what reason, I have no idea.
Any signs of the car actually?
And so apparently, big girl over here wasn't even in the car. She comes from somewhere else.
This car?
Jim's car.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw her pull in, and she tried to pull in over here, but I blocked her. And she pulls in over there. She comes storming out saying, you want to start something right now? So that's when I stopped her from walking in.
After collecting information from the witnesses, the officers regrouped to review and summarize what they had gathered.
They said, wasn't like that, left. She was the driver, the girl in custody was the passenger, making threats of, we're going to have someone who had your house shot up, I have you killed, you're not going to see the day, someone's going to do stuff, and then they live right over here, so they came to the precinct, they followed them here.
Okay.
They all
What
have
is her side?
the same exact story.
She's saying they went to the movies on Stevenson. They were leaving to go out. That car said something to them. Or no, her daughter said, do you want to take a picture of the car? Because the car is in her daughter's memory decorated.
Another daughter, I'm guessing?
Yeah, well, the daughter got
She got
shot.
a deceased daughter.
Yeah, got shot. So, the other daughter was saying, do you want to take a picture of the car? They were like, I don't give a about your kid. I don't give a car. And then they went to turn out. And then the other car tried to sideswipe them on Victor. Got in front of them, started braking. For them to try to get hit, basically.
That car?
Yeah. Okay. That car, whichever car was involved.
They were tapped from behind.
I didn't see any damage.
There is video of
Did she
her
say-
being behind them.
You have it? Or you saw it?
They have
Did she tell you why she followed them to the precinct?
She claims she was going to Sizzler, and then she thought about going to her baby's daddy's house. And I'm like, did you have a phone? Yeah. I'm like, why didn't you call the police? I was coming up here. Just no excuse for why she followed them.
The officer proceeded to arrest the suspect and took her to the station for processing.
Did nothing to them people.
Can I turn around, ma'am?
For what?
You're being charged with disorderly conduct and supposed
For what? I did nothing to them people.
Put your hands around your back.
I want y'all to check that camera
I
over
just
there.
did. Put your hands around your
So
back.
you don't see me doing this?
Put your hands behind your back.
Officer!
It was the last time we're going to ask you.
Okay, my car is on. Can I cut my car?
No, man, we'll deal with that.
Okay, and my purse is in there.
Okay, we'll secure that.
But y'all gonna arrest me for these people? Y'all serious? You serious right now?
You been drinking?
No, I ain't been no drinking. Ain't no drinking in my car. Only thing I had was a BLK. That's what you smell on my breath. I was in a movie theater. I just showed him my stuff.
Where's your car, Maxwell?
This is crazy.
Like I said, you had a phone. If that was an issue over there, why didn't you call?
I'm coming to
miles is
y'all.
that?
I'm coming to
Why didn't you
y'all.
call the police?
So why didn't
would
they
you
call?
call them over here?
So why didn't they call? So why didn't they call?
I'm trying to use common sense with you.
No, ain't no common sense. We doing the same thing. We doing the same
Which
thing.
is not the right thing, and now look where
I
Three,
did
Bravo,
it.
two.
You would see me waving my ass for y'all. It's cool. The devil
You have a few
gonna
more
knock
hours to
on
come
your
to the
door.
precinct
Let that
for a
sister
search.
in your soul, let spirit. Ba, 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 ba,
a statement
ba,
out
ba.
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct and simple assault. These charges can lead to penalties such as fines up to $1,000, possible jail time of up to 6 months, and a criminal record. If convicted, she may also face probation and mandatory anger management classes. Everyone has their opinion, and the viewers who commented below this video are no exception. How smooth of a brain do you have to fight in a police parking lot? That big dummy drove her ass straight to the arrest. It's embarrassing to know that other countries think that Americans behave like this. Violence in public places can have serious legal consequences. It's a strong reminder that staying calm and avoiding confrontation is always the better choice. And without keeping everyone waiting too long, we will immediately move on to the second situation. On August 27, 2025, the police received a report about a woman who was intoxicated and refusing to leave the beach.
So we gave her multiple warnings, dog on the leash. It's a little dog, it's like chasing Martin. She also developed sure. Yeah. Every time we ask her to leave, she ignores us. You just want her to leave and trespass? Okay.
Back here, at this property, they know what you do.
Yeah.
That's why there's police here, because they want you off the property.
The officer issued multiple warnings, however. The woman kept insisting that she needed water.
Ma'am, they don't want you back on the property.
Tell them to give me ice.
They don't have to give you
No, I need water.
They don't have to give
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, listen to me.
You don't have to arrest me. Just tell them to give me water.
They don't get arrested. Water. Keep going.
You're not trespassing. You're not allowed here.
If you don't mind,
You are trespassing.
who's the guy with the cute?
Oh, Jesus.
It's the guy with the cute pompadour. He has a cute pompadour. I'm a barber. It's the guy with the cute pompadour.
You need to vacate this premises. If you come back, you will be arrested.
I just want a water.
Leave the
It's
property.
the guy with a cute
There is a
pompadour.
speedway where you can
It's the
get
guy
water
with a
right
cute
now.
pompadour.
What are you not understanding? Do you want your dog to go to the animal shelter?
No, I just want water.
Okay, then you need to leave.
I just
Because
want
what will
water.
happen
It's
is
the
you're
guy
going to go
there
to
with
jail
the cute-
and your dog is going to go to the shelter. That's what's going to happen.
Water?
Not getting water. Get off the property.
It's
Get off the property so you
that's
don't
so
go to jail.
easy. I could just easily get up.
Yes.
It's I just want a water.
That's not where we're at.
Right, and it's a gas station.
Ma'am, what's your name?
Right there.
What's your name?
Do you mind?
If we give you a glass of water, will you leave?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Not even a glass of water, but a cup of water from
That's
my.
exactly what you're gonna get.
Thank you
Tell
so
me.
much. It's a guy with a
But just
cute
understand,
haircut.
you're
He doesn't.
trespassing.
I'm a barber.
Just understand, you're trespassing.
fantastic.
Not come
Him
back,
too.
you will
Him-
go to jail.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too. You too.
Instead of remaining calm and leaving the property, the woman is about to escalate things to the point of no return.
Shuddington, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Forget me, and I forget you.
Perfect.
If not, it'll keep going for generations and generations. Because we already know.
Ma'am, you're gonna end up going to jail. Just leave, and then nothing
I'm not
happens.
gonna go to jail.
Yes, you are,
I'm not
because
gonna
you're
go to jail. Because
trespassing.
guess what?
You've been
This
trespassing
is not
on the
between
property.
me. This is not between you, and you. It's between me and her. Shuddington.
Just leave.
I just wanted a water and you
Just
trying to be
leave.
disrespectful to
Leave the
me.
property.
You trying to be
Leave the
you personally.
Stop causing a problem.
I'm not causing a problem. Look at me pointing my Well, my
baby, come on.
I'm sorry.
Everyone wants
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
But you're wrong.
I'm sorry, because I'm yelling right now, so it make it seems like I'm wrong. I literally only wanted a water, and you were disrespectful to me.
You have a water.
You're acting like a Karen.
What's your name, man?
And you know when it comes to Karens, you know how, I'm sorry, stereotypical Karens go? Do you know how stereotypical Karens go?
Listen, I really
I'm
don't
sorry.
want you to have to go.
I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me come correct. Hold on. Let me come correct.
I'm over here. Look.
Hold on. I'm sorry, mommy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Look at your baby.
But let me come correct.
No, you were leaving, honey.
But stereotypical Karens. Stereotypical Karens.
I got you the water.
Hold on. Come on. Stereotypical Karen.
Will you take my
I love your shirt.
PTSD. Look
I
at
love
this
this shirt.
shit.
Walk away.
Look at this
You're
shit.
gonna go home.
Look at, and I'm gonna go
Stay
home
here, you're gonna go
regardless. But stereotypical. You, not you, not you.
I'm trying to help you here.
Not you.
You got her name.
You're triggering. And I'm not
sorry,
trying to yell at you. But look, I got the.
I'm sorry I've triggered you.
Thank you.
I am not trying to be disrespectful.
Thank you.
I have the wishes of the
Thank
business.
you. Because what is your job? What is your job?
To trespass you at this point.
No, your job is to protect, serve. Protect, serve. Stop it.
The officer gradually lost patience and immediately proceeded to arrest the woman.
You're gonna have to go to jail because you can't leave.
I gotta go to jail because I'm yelling at you?
Because you won't leave.
I'm about to leave.
Then
my
leave.
job is.
Then
my
leave.
issue was not with. Hey,
Then
my issue was
leave.
not with you. You or you. It's with her.
You need to leave.
Just like another in Augusta.
You need to leave.
I'm gonna rest now because you don't want to leave. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm about to leave.
No.
I'm about to leave.
Past that point.
I'm about to leave.
We're past that.
I'm about to leave.
Nope.
I'm about to leave. I'm about to
Let go of your
leave.
water.
I'm about to leave.
You're not leaving. You're not complying.
I'm about to leave.
But you're not.
Ow! 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 I'm about to leave.
That's okay.
Petty! I'm so petty. I'm about to leave. I'm about to leave. You guys knew what the you're about to do. It's a setup. It's a setup.
It's a bad time to play victim.
Bonita!
Here, I'll take this.
No, don't take nothing.
Okay, all right.
Now your poor dog's gonna go to shelter now. Good job.
For what? Is it cameras out here?
Yep.
Is it cameras out here? No, I hear no camera. I tried to help you.
Let's go.
Where's my, no, wait. Where's my, no. I'm gonna go. Listen, I'm gonna go, but where's my freaking, stop.
Nope.
Just
What?
walk.
Nope. We're past that point already.
Where are my credit cards and my freaking ID? Where's my ID? Where's my ID? And my credit cards and my dog.
As she was placed in the police car, the woman began to resist violently and repeatedly yelled insults at the officers.
Wait, because guess what?
Have a seat.
Dad, where's my bonita? Where's my baby? Dad!
Have
Don't,
a seat.
you can't, hey, hold on.
No, we're done with
Excuse
this.
me?
Have a seat.
Excuse me?
Have a seat.
But you're not God!
But have a
You're not God! I can have a seat out here!
No, you can have a seat inside.
Don't do that!
Kick me.
You
I'm not
could.
trying to kick you! I'm not trying to kick you, but guess what? Guess what? Guess what? You're kidnapping me! Kidnap! 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 And guess what?
Put your
Augusta, Georgia was the only place, but now you are about to be
Put your feet.
kidnapped. Ow! Ow!
Feet in the
Ow!
You're breaking my mother.
Put your
Kidnap.
feet in the
Kidnap. 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 What am I being retained for? And did you read me my rights? Did you read me my rights?
The woman continued to resist, and it took the officers quite some time to restrain her and get her into the vehicle.
I got her here. You get her on the bottom. Stop. Just sit down. Just sit down.
You're hurting me.
Well,
You're
sit down. Get up. Stop trying to go under the car.
Listen, we're trying not to hurt you. Get up or... Hey, sit down. I got an idea. I got it.
Right here.
Hold her down on the
Don't touch me. Oh, shit. I'm not moving. Just fly.
You good? Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Don't touch me.
You're going to get touched. You got to sit up. You got to sit up, Therese. Come on.
Don't touch me. My arm. Stop. Don't touch me.
Lift. Stand up. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Where do you want this? We're just hold her legs for now until we get her to the car.
My arm.
I got it. All right, done.
Stop. My arm.
Don't bite me.
Ow!
1, 2, 3. All right.
You guys! Ow! My arm!
Damn, stop!
No, you are illegally forcing me. You are illegally forcing me. That's illegal! Just show me. Please tell me what I... Please tell me what I did wrong. Please tell me what I did wrong.
You got it?
Please tell me. Tell me what I did wrong.
How about now?
Tell me what I did wrong.
Pull. All right, we're good. Release. You're good. I just don't want it. I don't want her legs elevated like that. Good. All right, we're good.
The woman was charged with battery, trespassing, and resisting arrest with violence. These offenses are considered serious and can result in penalties such as up to 5 years in prison, thousands of dollars in fines, and a permanent criminal record. Depending on the severity and prior offenses, she may also face probation or court-ordered anger management programs. After the video was posted on the internet, people shared their thoughts in some comments. That poor dog. I can understand how ancient peoples believed in demon possession. What is that rule about giving water to gremlins? Huge mistake. Staying calm and cooperative with law enforcement can prevent a minor issue from turning into a serious legal problem. Do you believe this Karen was overreacting? After you see the next case, you may want to think twice. It's shocking.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. I'm going to go ahead and advise you of your rights, okay?
On December 12, 2023, while on patrol, an officer noticed a suspicious black vehicle and pulled it over for inspection.
Afternoon.
Hi.
Do you have your license with you?
I do. I have it in my purse.
Okay. Do you have any weapons in the car? No? Okay. We just have to ask. It's Arizona.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Do you have your registration and insurance? Is this your vehicle or?
Yes, it's mine.
Oh, okay. You and your husband's?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. how do you say your name, ma'am?
Myra?
Myra? All right, Myra. The reason I stopped you is a few reasons. One is you're following too close behind that semi-truck. I know he changed lanes in front of you, but he never backed off of it. And I had you at less than a second. I had you at 0.8 seconds behind him. The safe following distance is 3 to 6 seconds.
Oh, I did not.
Yeah, that way you have plenty of time to react in case something happens, like if he blows a tire or slams on his brakes, or you have to take evasive action. It takes the average person about a second and a half just to perceive a threat in front of them and start to react. That doesn't even include the actual reaction time.
Okay,
so,
yeah, I did not know that. I'm sorry.
You're good. I'll just give you a written warning. How dark is your window tint?
I don't know. When I bought the car, I just got it not too long ago in August, and from the dealership, that's how I got it.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, so I wouldn't know.
Gotcha. And then the stuff hanging from your rearview mirror is a view obstruction. You just got to take it down. Okay? I'll just give you a written warning. I'm not going to give you a ticket. There's not going to be any points or fines on your license, okay? If you just want to step back with me, we'll get it knocked out real quick.
The deputy intended to give a warning for tailgating, but the driver's nervousness, shaky voice, and difficulty maintaining eye contact made him suspicious.
Where's your son at?
Sorry?
Where's your son?
Down in here, and I don't know the name of it. The dad just moved over here, so I just have to...
The dad what?
Well, the dad won custody of the kids, so now they're letting me get my kids every so often, whenever he wants. So he's giving me it for a week.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Looks like my computer's down, so we'll have to do this by hand. Where's the dad live?
I don't know his exact address. I'm meeting him at a point.
You're meeting him at a point?
Yeah, he doesn't want me to know his address.
He doesn't want you to know his address?
No, he's sorry for the word, but he doesn't stick to me.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Where does he, what city does he live in?
I'm 15 minutes.
Holbrook?
Yes.
It's about 20 minutes from here. He lives in Holbrook? Mm-hmm. How long has he lived in Holbrook for?
They probably moved in a couple of months ago. I don't know exactly how long.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's your son's name? How old is he?
15.
15. Is he going to Holbrook High School then?
Yeah, I'm assuming.
You're assuming?
Yeah.
How come you don't get to see him very often?
Because he got full custody.
Why did you get full custody?
When we went to court, because we got custody when we were living. Well, he was living down in Visalia, myself as well, and then I moved after he got the custody. But when we went to the court, the judge never gave me why.
Oh, really? Yeah. Where did you guys go to court?
Visalia.
What's that?
Where? In Visalia?
Visalia, California?
Mm-hmm. Oh. He was in the military.
The woman said she was in a hurry to pick up her son, but her actions appeared suspicious, as if she was concealing something.
What about school?
Well, they're out for vacation.
They're out for vacation right now?
Well, that's what he told me, that he was going to give them to me for a month for vacation.
Okay. Sorry, I gotta start over my, I haven't used the written side in a long time and I get it wrong, so. What do you do for work?
I work at Medpharmix. It's, I do custodial work, but it's, what is it, like,
Oh, really quick, okay? I'll be right back. While I'm up there, is it okay if I look at the VIN on the door? Is that all right? Okay. All right, just hang tight for me in just a second. I just have a quick question for you. Out here on the interstate, we have people that haul and transport illegal contraband. You don't have anything illegal in your car, do you? Any weapons or explosives in the car? Any guns?
No.
Any bombs?
No.
Any bazookas?
No, what would I have?
Any dead bodies in the car?
No.
Okay. In the state of Arizona, marijuana is legal up to an ounce. Do you have any marijuana in the car?
I don't use drugs.
You don't use drugs at all? Okay. Any methamphetamine in the car? Cocaine? Heroin? Fentanyl or fentanyl pills? Any prescription drugs you're not supposed to have?
No.
How about identity theft items? Do you have any identity theft items in the car? Any identity theft making machines? Anything like that? Okay. That being said, would you give me voluntary consent to search your vehicle for any of those types of items? Yeah? Okay. Let me just get a consent form really quick. 430 consent to search.
Welcome back, negative valid, 11 to your call, reported to you.
10-4, my MDT is down. Also be advised, consent to search.
Copy, those are you. 431, I'll be on 430. Copy, those are you.
Are you responsible for everything inside the car? Anybody ask you to bring anything up here that to take to anybody? They did? What do you have in there?
I don't know.
You don't know? Are you being paid to drive something up here? Yeah?
I didn't get paid yet.
You haven't get paid yet? Okay. What's in the car, Amira?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is it illegal? Pretty much. Okay, if you don't know what it is, how do you know if it's illegal?
Well, if there's something I'm not supposed to drive with.
So you're not coming up here to pick up your son, is that what you're telling me? Okay. I kind of figured because Holbrook is not out of school yet.
I know.
Okay.
I don't know what it's saying.
Okay. I just watched our school resource officer go to work today. Okay.
The officer had the dog run around the car to see if it could detect anything, and the dog's reaction indicated that the vehicle was storing illegal substances.
So that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and walk my dog around the car really quick, okay?
It's in the back seat.
It's in the back seat? Okay. What's it going to be?
Would you consent to a pat down of your person?
Sorry?
Would you consent to a pat down of your person to make sure you don't have any guns or anything on you?
No.
Nothing? Okay.
No.
Nothing in your pockets?
No.
No needles, nothing?
No. I don't do anything.
Nothing right here. Alright. Hang tight.
I don't know if I've never done this, but, and you know, is there any way you could call my son for me?
We'll deal with that when we figure out what's going on. Okay. So, having said that, do you know what's in the car?
No, I don't.
Okay. Is it your vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. So, how did it get in your car? Did you load it into your car, or did someone put it in your car?
Yeah, someone. I didn't touch it.
Okay.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, push. Otto. Otto. 430 positive pin out. Mara, so the dog did alert to your vehicle. He's trained to detect the odors of marijuana, meth, cocaine, heroin, and fentanyl. That alert does give me probable cause, and the fact that you've told me that there's something illegal in your car also gives me probable cause. Okay, so we're going to do a search. And then
The officers conducted a search and found more than 30 pounds of methamphetamine valued at over $1 million, and then immediately arrested the woman.
Alright, Myra. You are under arrest this time, okay? Go ahead and turn around and put your hands behind your back. I'm going to go ahead and advise you of your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to the presence of an attorney if you desire, before any questioning. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, won't be provided to you free of charge. You can decide at any time not to answer any questions or make any statements. Bearing that in mind, do you understand your rights? I need a verbal yes or no. Okay. Indicated yes. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back to our office and we're going to process this. We're going to have some people that come and talk to you, okay? Is there anything else in the vehicle other than that? How much are you being paid to transport that? $2,500. $2,500? Okay, and where are you supposed to take it?
Where I told you.
So, where you were supposed to meet your son?
Yeah, the GPS is it's still in the car.
Still in the car. Okay. So I'm going to have a deputy come over here to transport you. We're going to transport this over to our office and process it from there, okay?
The woman was arrested on multiple felony charges related to drug trafficking. Due to the large scale of the operation, the case was handed over to the DEA and escalated to the federal level. If convicted, she could face significant prison time and heavy fines, as federal drug trafficking offenses carry severe penalties. With such a crazy situation, the comments that followed after the video was released are also noteworthy. You know you're screwed when the camera guy shows up. Just imagine how many of them are driving on our roads undetected. Pack your bags for El Salvador. This case teaches the importance of being vigilant and trusting instincts of law enforcement. Let's move on to the next case.
Like it's only gonna hurt. Sit down.
You know who was right.
On March 2nd, 2024, Davenport police responded to a complaint from a convenience store about a woman who was intoxicated and refused to leave after being warned multiple times.
No, I can't sit.
On March 2nd, 2024, officers with the Davenport Police Department responded to a call from a convenience store stating that the woman was intoxicated and would not leave their store after being told to leave multiple times. The woman claimed that she gave the cashier $20 for $16 worth of merchandise and never got her change.
You know what I'm saying?
What's this?
This is $2 I had in my car.
Okay.
How you using my change?
So what was it?
That don't even matter. That's simple.
Give me a second. Let him talk.
No, you bogus.
That's fine, but let him be bogus. I heard your side.
That's bogus.
So now you let him talk.
Now I ain't pulling out more money.
Hey, let me talk to him real quick.
That's petty.
Okay, let it be petty. Let me talk to him. Why don't you tell them your side of it, okay?
No, that's petty.
You want to step over here and talk?
No, I don't got no car.
No, I just want to go over here and talk, ma'am. What's your name?
Miss West.
Miss West? What's your first?
Yes.
What's your first name?
Miss.
M-I-S? M-I-S-S?
And I'm giving you my money.
What? No. I need you.
No, listen.
Okay. What's going on tonight?
You don't have any. Okay.
We'll pull up the video.
I only got $2.
Right. Well, there was other.
I gave him 20.
Do you have an ID on you?
Nope.
You have no ID?
Nope.
What about in your wallet?
Nope.
No?
The woman refused to provide information, and the officers informed her that non-compliance would constitute obstruction of official duties.
Now you might need some skills. But that's true.
Okay, spell your name for
Tell
me.
him not to say that. Nicole. Nikki.
Nicole?
Nikki.
Nicole?
Nikki told me.
Last name Smith?
Yeah.
Date of birth?
I just was trying to get what I paid for.
Ma'am, your
I
date of
really
birth,
just
please.
gave this man my money.
Okay, we'll talk about it later. I need your date of birth right now.
Now?
Yes, please. Do you have an ID in that purse? Make this a lot simpler.
Just gave this man my money. Did you hear what I'm saying?
Can I get a
just
date of
gave
birth?
this man $20 of my money.
Pull up the camera so we'll check it
Just give him. I always make it don't matter.
Okay, Nicole, I need your date of birth.
Nikki. I said Nikki.
Nikki, okay.
Nikki.
I need
my
your
name tonight.
Ma'am, do you have an ID?
Man, look out of here. Watch out.
Refusing to provide you her birthday.
This man just took
We've
my
got different
money.
names.
And don't
at
want
this
that's
point.
crazy. That's my
Can we
whole
interference with official acts?
middle first.
Hey, if you don't give me an ID right now, I'm going to charge you with interference with official acts. Do you have an ID? so we can make this easier.
Tell me what?
With interference with official acts. You're not giving me your name or your date of birth. You keep calling me different names.
I'm gonna charge you what? When this man took my money?
No, interference with official acts. You are not providing me the information.
This man for my product, and I didn't get it.
After multiple warnings, the woman continued arguing with the officer, forcing them to place her under arrest.
You gonna charge me with what?
You're under arrest for interference with official acts. And I believe that you're intoxicated. No. Yes. No. Yes. Turn around. Hey, stop. Resisting. Behind your back.
One minute and just y'all see how they do it? Thank you. It'll be comfortable. I can get out. But it just makes sense. Because they bogus too. This would make sense if you were sober right now. It'll make sense. I'm not even driving right now.
Then that's the driving.
It don't matter, but I'm grown.
I know.
Let me get my property.
I agree.
No, get my property. Yep, put my phone in there and make sure I pay for my property.
What did you?
I just bought that. Okay. You see what I'm saying? That's crazy. How I'm buying something
did she buy
and
anything?
I'm going to jail. I did.
Did she buy anything? Did she steal anything?
Nothing. So why would you even here? That's disrespectful, ain't it? Nothing. Nothing.
The woman was taken outside, and the officers began conducting a search on her.
Yes,
Don't fool me, bro. I swear to God.
Then walk out the door.
Let my arm go.
We have to go outside. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, walk out here in the car. Come on.
You gotta make it sense.
We're making perfect sense. You gotta walk with us.
Hey, bogus, I have to pay for this shit. They took my money.
Come on, this way.
No.
This way.
No.
Let's go.
Officer.
We're gonna walk over to the car. Okay?
And you still gotta explain to me, bro.
We will once we get to the car.
I ain't doing nothing. Y'all can let me out. That's the irony.
Watch your step here.
No.
Watch your step. Watch your step. Let's go. Step down.
Step down.
No.
Step on down.
It still makes sense, right? You don't get no bread in this, right? Right?
Keep going. Nope. What do we got to do?
Got anything on you? Since Sick Poker hurt me?
No. Come on, ladies.
Face the numbers for us.
I done paid my money.
Hey,
my money.
spread your feet for me. Spread your feet.
Well, then I don't think we need a copy of the video with all the pin.
Yes, bro. They just took my whole $20, y'all.
Your $20 is in your purse, man.
No,
they didn't take any of your cash.
Exactly, but I just paid.
It's
And I
all there.
want to leave, and
You're getting all your money. Just listen. You're getting all your money to come with you. We need to face the car.
No, that's wrong.
Right here.
No. Just talk to me.
We're talking.
So we are grown
Yes,
people. Where you don't need to do that shit, because I got kids.
You need to face the car.
No, talk to me.
We are.
Don't hold my arm.
He's doing his job. What do you want to talk about?
No.
What do you want to talk about?
Don't hold my arm.
What do you want to
That's all
talk
I want him to talk about.
Well, he's got to hold your arm.
Because I'm telling you, I don't want to have nothing happen to him, because I allow people that love people. At least it makes sense.
Okay.
I paid my way.
Right.
I paid the money.
Right.
How you gonna take my money?
They didn't take your money. Your money is in your purse.
I swiped my card. Exactly. So why am I even got trust on me? If I paid the money.
Public intoxication.
I'm not public. I ain't hurt nobody. Verbally, I'm not in a car. None of that. That's disrespectful to my rights too.
I disagree.
You're
intoxicated. You're causing problems in the store.
It's pretty late for me.
As the officers attempted to place the woman in the vehicle, she began to resist aggressively.
You walk into jail with comes a felony. Is there anything on you?
Disrespectful, right?
Look at me. If you give it to me now, it's less trouble than in jail.
I'm telling you, when you leave, trying to go home to your kids.
Okay, let's go. Get in the squad. Come on.
You can threaten me when you're in the car. Sit down.
Let's go.
I'm bummed.
You know what's to put you in the car, right?
You know.
Like it's only gonna hurt. Sit down.
You know for what's right. I'ma sit up. Now. And I'ma sit for what's right.
This is stupid. Is what this is.
Now. For what's right.
Get your feet in the car. Pull on more.
Do not kick. Please don't touch my arm.
Put your leg down.
Nah. Yo, dumb ass. Bitch, don't get the money. Y'all see that? Do you see what I just did? Exactly.
Yep. Although she was already inside the police vehicle, the woman continued arguing with the officer.
Hey, he took my money.
Tamika.
He didn't want to give me my change.
Tamika.
Officer.
Tamika. Listen.
No, that's wrong.
Hey, I believe that you
Y'all
are.
still doing me like this.
Tamika, I need you to listen. Hey, Tamika,
It's okay.
calm down.
It's okay. No.
I need you to listen to me.
No.
I believe you to be public.
No.
I believe you to be drunk in public.
I'm not.
Would you like to submit to a?
With y'all.
Hey, listen. Calm
Come
down.
on now.
Calm
I
down.
don't want to talk to nobody but
Okay.
you.
Would you like?
Officer.
What would you like?
I was not talking to nobody.
Okay, no. Hey, that's not it.
But you.
Okay, listen.
No.
I believe that you are intoxicated right now and you're in public. Would you like to?
No, I don't like nobody doing me like that. That shit bogus.
Hey, I believe that you're intoxicated. Hey,
No.
I need you to say yes or no to this.
I did not. Never.
Would you like
Never.
to blow into a
I would
preliminary
never
breath
hurt
test?
nobody.
I'm not asking that.
I will never
Okay.
hurt nobody.
Not happening.
The woman was charged with public intoxication and interference with official acts. These offenses are considered misdemeanors and may result in penalties such as fines up to $500, possible jail time of up to 30 days, or both. Depending on prior offenses, she could also face probation or mandatory counseling. This is indeed a chaotic situation, isn't it? Let's examine what viewers have commented on after the video was circulated. They never have an ID. I could never be a cop. I simply don't have the patience for it. Something tells me this isn't her first trip to that store today. This case shows the importance of cooperating with law enforcement. The woman's refusal to follow instructions and resist arrest led to criminal charges. This Karen is already a mess, so what about the next one? Let's keep watching.
What I want you to do now is go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. So what's going on right now is you're getting placed under arrest for drunk.
Officer Jasmine Wright of the Tampa Police Department arrived at Dick's Sporting Goods, situated at 258 West Shore Plaza, on August 6, 2023, to look into a car accident.
Baby, come out of the car, but I'm the one that was driving.
You were driving?
I was, yes, sir.
Huh. So what happened then, brother?
She came up way too quick on this shit, bro. Like, she fucking stopped us, and like, that's it, bro. I'm sorry. I'll tell you.
Whose car is it?
It's her car.
Why are you driving?
Because she's my girlfriend.
Okay. So what happened after the crash?
I asked them if they can pull over politely, and if I could pay for it. I'm sorry, yeah.
Okay.
To be real. That's exactly what I did. I'm sorry. If you need to get me, it's okay. I'm sorry. Like, get me. I guess I have to figure this out right now. Let me ask you
this, brother. How tall are you?
6 foot.
6 foot. How tall are you, ma'am?
5'2".
5'2". Okay. Let me ask you a question. Why is the front seat basically touching the steering wheel if you were driving?
Because
Airbags came out.
No, I kept her. I told her to not change her fucking seats at all. I told her, I was like, cool.
Okay, cool. That doesn't make any sense. Go stand over there.
No, it does, brother.
Go stand over there.
It does, because I told her.
Go stand over there. I'm done talking to you. Go stand over here.
The officer questioned the woman and then proceeded to read her rights.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm sad.
You're sad?
Yeah.
Well, I can understand being sad.
Yeah.
Did you hit your head or anything like that?
I'm fine.
Okay. Do you have any kind of medical issues or anything like that? Did you lose consciousness or anything like that?
Shut up!
You're bipolar.
Stop! It doesn't matter. That shit doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm fine. No, nothing. Nothing. I didn't hit my head. I didn't do nothing.
Okay. Well, my name's Officer Baden. Whenever I come out to do DUI investigations.
It's fine.
So I'd like to talk to you, kind of figure out from your perspective what's going on.
It's fine.
In order to do that, I'm going to read you your rights real quick. You're not under arrest or anything like that. This is just so we can talk about the
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay?
No, that is
All right. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult with an attorney before you make a statement or answer any question, and the right to have an attorney present during questioning. If you want an attorney but cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before and during questioning, free of charge. You may use any of these rights at any time before or during questioning, and you may use any of these rights before and you may use any of these rights at any time before or during questioning, and you may stop the interview at any time. Okay, do you understand these
I'm
rights?
not talking right now because you already lied to me. So sit in the car. Go
Are
sit
you willing
in
to
the car
answer
right
questions or make a
I'm not
statement
asking
without an
you
attorney
today.
being present?
Yeah.
Is that a yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Has anybody threatened you, coerced you, or promised you anything to cause you to answer questions or make a statement? What happened?
I don't know. He was driving.
He was driving. Why is the front seat all the way touching the steering wheel? And you're 5'2" and he's 6 foot.
I don't know. He.
I was driving because I'm a fucking idiot.
Yeah, I know.
I told her not to drive. I'm an idiot.
You know what's crazy is cameras don't lie.
That's fine. We can look at the cameras.
I already did. That's why I'm asking to give y'all one last chance.
And
to be
I
honest.
didn't fucking jump in front of her.
Here, come over this way for me.
Suspecting that Angelique might be impaired, he requested her to complete several field sobriety tests.
All those at the same time?
At the same time.
Okay.
Like I have a prescription bottle.
Okay,
if you really
fair enough.
wanna see it.
Fair enough. Have you taken all those today?
Yes.
Okay. What time do you take them?
I usually take them at night, but I took them probably at like 6. Because I like take my meds at 6 p.m.
So you take them at 6 every night?
Yeah.
Is that kind of like your normal routine?
Yeah, that's what I like to do.
Okay. All right, let me ask you this. How much have you had to drink tonight?
I had 2 drinks.
2 drinks?
You can breathalyze me, you can do whatever. Okay. I'm just...
Well, can I check your eyes as part of field sobriety to make sure that you're okay to be driving?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell you, what's your name?
Angelique.
Angelique?
During the hang test, Officer Baden saw jerky eye movements, including early onset and sustained nystagmus.
Angelique, stand right here with my flashlight for me. Do you wear glasses or contacts?
I wear contacts.
Do you have them in right now?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, put your feet together for me. Okay. Can you put your feet all the way together? There you go. Hands down by your side. Can you see my light?
Like together?
Look, see how my feet are touching? Can you get your feet to touch?
Side.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right. Can you see my light? What color is my light?
It's red.
All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this red light from side to side. What I want you to do is focus on this red light, follow it with your eyes and your eyes only without moving your head. Okay? Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
In the walk and turn test, Angelique missed heel to toe steps, turned incorrectly, and took the wrong number of steps.
Hang on.
Shoot.
So every time you... Here, take a step back. Take a step back. So every time you step, you're going to touch heel to toe. Okay, so this is 0. The first time you go is going to be 1. Okay?
1. Like that?
Nope. So right now this is 0. Your right foot in front is going to be 0.
Okay.
Okay?
Now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How do you want me to do it?
Just like I showed you and just like I explained to you. Okay, you can relax.
The last test was the one-leg stand, during which Angelique failed to lift her foot properly and put it down early.
I want you to look down at your toe and then count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, so forth, so on until I tell you to stop. Now, if for whatever reason you put your foot down, just pick it right back up and continue where you left off. Okay, do you have any questions?
I don't think so.
Okay, do you understand the instructions?
I think so.
Okay. All right, you can go ahead and begin.
So you said 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. I don't know when I'm supposed to stop.
Should keep going until I tell you stop.
1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010.
Okay.
Due to the crash, signs of impairment, and poor performance on sobriety tests, Officer Baden arrested Angelique for DUI.
Relax. All right. So feet together for me. Hands down by your side. All right. What I want you to do now is go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. So what's going on right now is you're getting placed under arrest for driving under the influence. Okay. We get down to booking. I'm going to ask that you submit to a breath sample that's going to measure the amount of alcohol that you have in your system. Now, if you don't, there'll be some penalties that'll go along with that. Namely, your license would get suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your license is previously suspended for prior refusal. Okay. Will you provide a breath sample for me tonight, Angelique?
Can I put my shoes back on?
Do you have any other shoes in the car besides the high heels? All right, I'll take them with you, but it's going to be easier.
Can I put them back on?
It's going to be easier if you just walk barefoot right now. Here, will you start your output? Do you have anything in the car that you want to take with you, like a wallet or a cell phone or anything like that? What kind of phone is it?
The iPhone 14.
Is it a specific color? Black? Does it have a case on it?
No, it doesn't.
No?
No, it has like a blank. It has like a mirror case on it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll see if I can grab it. Do you have a purse or a wallet or anything like that?
No, that's my purse.
Yeah, so you have like credit cards in the phone? Okay. I can't get it. I got it unclipped, but...
Can't get it all. Oh, I think
I don't do jewelry though.
Thank you, guys.
Here, open your mouth. Put your tongue up to your roof. Tongue up. Okay. Grab a seat. Okay. Hey, hang on just a second. Let me get her stuff first.
Angelique was charged with driving under the influence, DUI, under Florida Statute 316.193, after recording a back nearly 3 times the legal limit. For a first-time offense, she may face up to 6 months in jail, fines up to $1,000, license suspension, and mandatory DUI education. Additional penalties could apply due to the high back level. Many people commented on this circumstance and the girl's reaction in the published video. Supporting a loved one through mistakes is noble, but accountability matters both for safety and growth. Let's hope this leads to positive change. That's my girl, bro. Big wig, little brain. Driving under the influence can lead to serious legal consequences, especially when impairment is clearly evident. What an unyielding Karen. The next Karen will react much more violently, so keep an eye out.
Turn around for me. You're under arrest for driving under the influence of...
On February 10th, 2025, an anonymous tipster reported being threatened by a woman sitting in a gold vehicle in the parking lot of the Santa Fe County Adult Detention Center.
Sit in the driver's seat. Get in the driver's seat. Have a seat. Do you not see the lights? Okay. Sit down. What are you guys doing here?
I'm waiting for my brother.
You're waiting for your brother? Mm-hmm. Okay. So, what else has been going on here? Put the cigarette out.
Oh, sorry about that.
I told you.
I put it out the door.
And then she was sitting on the curb cold, so I let her sit in my
Who is she?
Dolores. I didn't get her last name.
So you just pick people up, random people?
I was just trying to help her.
Okay. So were you texting somebody? Threatening somebody?
No.
After approaching the suspect, the officer instructed the woman to exit the vehicle and proceeded to ask her several questions.
And are you intoxicated right now? Have you had any alcoholic beverages today?
Not at all.
Not at all? What you want, I'm going to have you step out of the vehicle and we're going to check that, okay? All right, come on over here. Right here's fine. Right over here. Right there's fine. Turn and face me. Hands to your sides. Feet together. Okay. Do you have any medical issues that I need to know about?
Yes, I'm on Lexapro and Acid.
What is that for?
Anxiety and depression.
Are you supposed to drive with those types of medications? You got an okay from your doctor this morning to drive on medications?
Yes.
For anxiety?
Yeah.
Where's the note?
I don't have it. We communicate.
Doctors don't give notes for people to drive with medications that could possibly impair your driving. Doctors don't give notes.
Okay.
So, did a doctor give you a note?
I can check my email.
They either did or they didn't.
She did.
She did.
She knows that my brother.
She says you can drive, so if something happens, she's responsible, correct?
Yes.
Doctors don't do that. So I don't believe that. Okay? And you said you had 0 alcoholic beverages?
Yeah.
0 at all? None? Okay.
None.
And you took your medication at what time?
The last time I took it was at 6:30.
6:30 a.m., p.m.?
p.m.
p.m.
I have to take it every 4 hours.
The officers then asked the woman to perform a series of sobriety tests.
Can you see the tip of my finger?
Yes.
What I want you to do is follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Yes.
Follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head.
Sorry,
Put your head straight.
I got distracted by them.
Well, don't get distracted.
I'm just nervous. Sorry.
You're turning your head. Keep your head straight. Your nose to my nose. Just move your eyes. Don't have any questions.
No, ma'am.
All right. You may begin. Count out loud.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. May I return?
What are the instructions that I gave you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah, my left leg, because I can't do that with my right.
You can pick whichever leg you want. I need you to be looking down at your elevated foot. Do you understand?
Okay.
All right, you may begin.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000.
Look at your elevated foot. Continue and look at your elevated foot.
1, 1,000. 1, 1,000. Oh, sorry.
Continue.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000. Sorry. 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 11, 1,000, 12, 1,000, 13, 1,000, 14, 1,000, 15,
You can stop.
1,000.
Following the completion of the tests, the woman was taken into custody for driving while intoxicated DWI.
Turn around for me. Turn around for me. You're under arrest for driving under the influence of intoxicating liquor and or drugs.
Okay. Babe, take my car home and take care of honey, okay?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, ma'am.
Widen your stance. Widen your stance. Widen your stance.
Take my car home. Take care of honey.
Do you have a phone? Is there a phone that you want to take?
No, it's okay.
All right, go ahead and step to the back of my patrol unit. Right here. Have a seat. Let me have that website, thank you. Do me a favor, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Lift your tongue. Lift it. Like this. Alright.
I'm gonna need my meds while I'm in there.
We don't take medications. If you need medications, they can give
do me a
medications.
favor? Can you take off my ring and give it to my fiance?
You can take it off.
Last time I was here, you guys took all my jewelry and didn't give it back.
I don't take anything.
I know, and this is a grievance. I know who called.
So,
she's the one who put my brother in jail.
Okay, so, again, it doesn't matter. You can't threaten people. You can't drive. You can't drive intoxicated. You can't drive while you're under the influence of medications. Doctors do not give permission to drive while you're medicated. Doctors don't do that. They just don't. Okay? So, put your feet in.
She was taken to the sheriff's office where she refused a breath test after being read the implied consent law.
You have a hard job.
We're going to go in this room right here. Right over here. In that room.
The bride chair?
No, in the room. In the room.
Oh. Is it possible to have some water?
After I do a few things with you, okay? Turn.
Sorry.
Bend at the hips just a little bit, or at your back.
Yeah, I can't bend forward anymore.
Okay, have a seat. Just hang tight for a second, okay?
Thank you.
I'll let you know what we're doing here in a little bit.
The woman was charged with aggravated driving while under the influence and spent the night in jail. This charge can carry serious penalties such as up to 1 year in jail, heavy fines, license suspension, and mandatory treatment programs. However, the next day, the prosecutor dismissed the charges without prejudice, meaning they could potentially be refiled in the future. Considering the ridiculous circumstances, the following comments emerged after the video was released and are very significant. Better give up my license. I'm on a multivitamin. Damn, that one leg stand keep your foot approximately 6 feet above the ground. The charges were dropped because that cop was such a huge D-bag. Driving under the influence can lead to arrest and serious legal consequences, even if charges are later dropped. Refusing to cooperate, such as declining a breath test, can also worsen the situation. What do you think about these situations? Comment below to share your thoughts, and like this video if you want to continue calling out such cases. To stay updated, don't hesitate to subscribe to Urban Law for more content.